Kathy and I drink a margarita. Just showing you the place. This in Mexico represents Day of the Dead.
Actually, people who didn't pay their bill.
Actually, people that didn't pay their bill. Skeleton head.
You have to go to the restroom.
Why?
You have to go to the restroom. Because
Why?
It's a restroom experience.
It
it's
is?
a Mexican experience.
Well, I seen that man walk in, so maybe I better
Yeah,
go.
he might be in there. Okay.
I had my own experience while you were gone.
Okay, he looked good too.
You know what? You're being recorded.
Don, do you see what a bad influence she is on me?
Hey,
It's Donna Margarita.
this is before she drank the margarita. We'll film after.